Remember, use your gears to go up the hills. Lower the gear, the better it is for going up a hill.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Daryl. I own Thousand Coves eBikes. This is the beginning of a series of videos where we have our potential customers give you a sneak peek into what our bikes are like in person from a person that's probably just like you, and not a person that's trying to sell you an e-bike. Links to in-depth reviews of the components and e-bikes will always be in the descriptions. As this is kind of the guinea pig episode, my son Chase is the tester, but he really is shopping for an e-bike. These videos will eventually expand to cover customers from all over and bikes that we don't sell.
What do you think of it so far?
Well, I really like the ability for the bike to use my gear shifting. I think the ability of that really helps out. Also, how light it is, I really like, because I'm gonna have to be carrying this from place to place. I really like how it takes hills and stuff. It is really, really.
Still able to pedal really easy. This is nutty. How's it feeling? Super nice still.
Even for somebody that doesn't know how to use a mid-drive, it's super easy. It's like I can't mess it up still. So, and I shifted wrong at the very least one time during this ride, and it still
got you here.
Still got me here. So it's really, really nice. Also, I like the ability to change the gradient of
The power assist.
pedal assist. Yeah, I think that's really cool, and that allows me to give to my friends and not make them go up to 7.
Oh, if you're loading it out?
Yeah. I can put it to 3 and just let them see. Oh wow, that's super easy.
Right.
So yeah, I think it's really nice.
All right. So that is the Mod Berlin that you're talking about right now. We'll do a more in-depth one at the very end, but I just want to see what you're thinking right now. All right.
Yeah.
Let's head on out, do some more riding.
Yeah, sounds good. All right. Cool. This is the first time that I've ridden a bike in about 10 years. So it was considerably easier to get up these hills. One of my expectations was it was going to be similar to driving a car when going up the hills. But yeah, so I thought that this was going to be kind of like driving. It's not. You still have to put a little bit of work into it, but it's just enough to make it fun going up the hills. Like it's not boring, and it requires just enough effort to make it mean something. And these are some crazy hills that we're going up, and I was not expecting it to be as smooth of a ride as it is. It's with the suspension points, it does a very, very good job. But yeah, it's just a really nice bike, really, really nice looking. It handles things very, very well. So yeah, that's all I really have.
All right, I appreciate it.
It is like a Prius in that you can't even hear it when it's on.
We heard when that car was on.
Yeah, no.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording. And Chase, thank you very much, and we'll see you in a test ride in a different one.